How often should you upload on YouTube? In this video, I'm going to give you a couple of tips. How often should you upload? Let's start with the video. How's it going, guys? Stefan here. Welcome back for another video. In this channel you can find a lot of tech reviews, also tips to grow your YouTube channel. Very interesting question for today. Very important question. How often should you upload on YouTube? Okay, so let me start with the first key. The first key is to find time for YouTube. If it's a 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, find time for YouTube. I know we're busy on a daily basis, we have family, kids, jobs, and so on. But this is very important, you need to find time. Time is pressure, time is everything. You need to find time for YouTube. Very important key. The second key is take a couple of seconds, maybe a minute about this second key, which is very important. So the second key is audience. The audience is very important to your videos. The question of this video is how often should you upload? You can upload 7 days a week, 14 days a week if you like, but if you don't have audience, people will not watch your videos. This is very important. Build your audience, which is very important to understand. Think about this a little bit, take a second and think about, because if you have audience, people will watch your videos. For example, I know channels that they upload once a week and they get the views, people watch their videos, they get the likes, comments, everything, because they have audience. So they build the audience already, they upload once a week and they get the audience. Very important key to understand. Just think about it, the audience is very important. So very interesting. The third key is stick to this. Very important third key as well is to find yourself to upload at least once, twice, or maybe 3 times a week. But you need to find the schedule. This is very important. The schedule is very important. On the second key, you build your audience. Now you need to find a schedule to upload your videos. For example, I will give you example of my YouTube channel. I upload twice a week. I try to upload twice a week, Tuesday and Friday as well. Sometimes Monday, depends if I'm busy. I try to upload next day. But this is very important. So you build the audience. Now you need to upload videos on specific days, because people will come to watch your videos. They know that you upload, let's say, on Tuesday, on Friday. This is very important to understand. You have the audience. Now you have to upload a specific day of the week. So choose a day. Very important. If you can't upload on Tuesday, upload on next day. But stick to these days, because your audience, they will know that you're gonna upload on these days and they expect video from you. So this is very important to understand. If you are vlogging channel, this is different, because some vlogging channels, they upload 5 days a week, 7 days a week. So this is, again, depends of your YouTube channel. But if you upload once a week, choose a day and stick to this day. If you can upload on the same day, upload next day. Make sure that you always stick to this very important key. If you upload, let's say, 3 times a week, again, make sure you upload specific days. People will know you upload, so they will come to watch your videos. And the third very important key is, this is very important to understand. Again, all these 3 keys are very important. So the third key is, to sum up, the question was how often should you upload? Well, depends of your channel. So depends, every channel is different, every audience is different. So if you upload 7 days a week, you'll get the views. Probably yes and no. Again, depends of your audience, depends of your region where you're uploading, depends of everything. So this is very important. But the third key is to understand is, what do you prefer? You prefer the quality of your video or you prefer the quantity? In my case, I prefer the quality. So for me, the more important is to have great quality of the video. So this is very important to understand. The quality is very important. I prefer the quality than the quantity. Obviously, if I upload, let's say I upload 2 days a week, let's say if I upload 3 days or 5 days, 7 days, yes, you get the views, but for me the more important is the quality of the video. So you have to ask yourself, what do you prefer, the quality or the quantity of your videos? And this is very important to understand. So the answer for today's video is everything depends of you. You can upload 7 days, 10 days, everything depends of you. I choose to upload twice, maybe 3 times a week, but for me the quality is very important. So I hope this video helps and you understand everything that I just said in this video. And I'm going to see you in my next video. This is Stefan. Thanks for watching.